Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a 1080p indoor security camera. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. Episode, we're reviewing a 1080p smart indoor security camera. And let me just say, I've reviewed a lot of security cameras in my past, and this one has a lot of features to bring out to the table, if you know what I'm saying. This has two-way audio, it has smart night vision, it has motion detection, it has an application you guys can install, and there's also various different features that this security camera has to offer, which we're all going to take a closer look at as we get through this video. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read a comment I do receive. So if any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me down below. If you guys do enjoy this video after watching it, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys went down below and left a like, as that just keeps me informed and keeps me updated if you guys are enjoying this tech series. Follow us on our various social media platforms to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. And then also, if you guys need any photo assistance or your company wanted to work with me or business inquiries, email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you need any photo assistance, you guys can do so by contacting me through that business inquiries email. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this security camera, product information, also the link to purchase this security camera will be down below in the description for you guys to check out to get more information, and also the product link if you're wanting to make a purchase. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. As you guys can see on the front of the box, this security camera from the company HeimVision has a few specifications and details as I spin it around, but we are going to take a closer look at the specifications with a secondary camera angle. But as you guys can see on the front of the box, it just says smart Wi-Fi camera, and this is from the company HeimVision. And then let's flip it onto this side. It shows you guys a few lists of key features that this security camera has. You guys can take a pause and read that. And then on this side, we actually have the application QR code that you guys can install either on Google Play or on the Apple Store. So let me actually open up this box and actually proceed with the unboxing. All we need to do is open up this flap, and you guys can see we're instantly greeted with some cards. We're gonna just kind of move that off to the side. We have a product service card, I should say, on top of the box. We also have a user manual for this security camera, which will give you guys a lot more information and details with the setup process. So I do recommend you guys actually read this if it's your first time setting up the security camera. And then inside the packaging, we have our charging brick to actually give power to the security camera, as you guys can see with the secondary camera angle. And then on this side, we actually have our micro USB cable, and let me just say, the micro USB cable is really long with the security camera, which is really nice to see that the company has made the cable long so that you can actually have this camera from a distance away and have it hooked up still. We do get a little baggie that has some screws and brackets that you guys can use and utilize when setting this up or wanting to mount this onto like your wall and stuff, so I like that they included that. But now let's actually take a look at, it looks like this is a plate. Oh, so this is like actually what you can use to actually mount this like onto your wall or onto your, side of the house, depending on whatever situation you're at. They actually gave you a mounting bracket that you can actually put the security camera into to kind of mount that and get that process a lot more easier. But let me actually pull out the security camera out. So you guys can see this is how the security camera looks like. It does have a very long leg, but it is really flexible. So you guys can see I can turn it around, I can do all sorts of things with it. So it's a very flexible security camera, which allows you to kind of, shoot the camera or face the camera at any angle that you desire. So what I'm going to do is actually move this box off to the side so we have more space to work with. So as you guys can see with the secondary camera angle, this is everything that's actually included with the packaging. So we got the security camera right here, we got the micro USB cable, the charging brick, we got the mounting bracket so that you can easily mount this onto the side of your house or the ceiling. We also got some 3M tape that's included for that process, and then we got our user manual and some screws and brackets that they included with this security camera. But let's actually take a look at the camera itself. So they did put a protective piece of film at the top, so what we need to do is pull it out. And you guys can see this is how the camera lens look like. It does look really nice, you know. It is a 1080p resolution security camera, so we're gonna get some pretty good quality footage from the security camera, which is good. The overall construction of the security camera is alright. It is made out of plastic, but it is durable plastic. Remember, this is an indoor security camera, so do not use this outside. We do on the back get where we need to plug in the power supply for this security camera. We have a speaker in the middle right here, and we also have a reset button. And I'm pretty sure there is a slot for a micro SD card, which is on the side right here. So if you wanted to store your storage of your videos locally and not rely on that cloud service, you can do so by putting a micro SD card on the side of the security camera. But overall, this camera does look really nice, but we're all gonna test this out and really see the full scope of the security camera in our next segment, which is testing and demonstration of this video. Alright, so we're actually ready to proceed to actually set up the security camera and get it up and running. So the first thing we need to do is actually take the zip tie off of this micro USB cable. And what we need to do is take this end of the micro USB cable and plug it into this brick. Once you plug it into the brick, you need to take this end of the micro USB cable and actually plug it into the back of the security camera, just like this. And now we're ready to actually plug this into our power supply. And I just plugged it in. You guys can see we do get like a blue light in the middle. I hope you guys can see that with my bright studio lights, but there is a blue indication light. And I think we can proceed to actually get on my phone. Alright, so you guys should be able to see my phone screen now. What we're gonna do is actually open up this application. So what we're gonna do is it's gonna ask us for our credentials and stuff, and basically what you need to do is create an account with this application. Okay, so what I just did was create an account and everything, so we just have to click agree. And what we need to do now is actually add a new device in. So we're gonna click on add device to start smart life. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna give us like a QR code, but let's just see, you know. We have in our case a smart camera, and it says device adding by scanning the code. Yeah, let's actually do that. So it is gonna give us a QR code, and we're just gonna face it in front of the camera. So we're gonna click on next and allow. And then it's gonna ask you for your Wi-Fi credentials. So just put in your Wi-Fi credentials. And once you put in the Wi-Fi credentials, it's gonna give you a QR code that you guys need to actually put in front of the security camera. Okay, it's making some beeping noises.
Please wait for Wi-Fi connecting.
Okay, the Wi-Fi is connecting.
Please wait for internet connecting.
Okay, now it says please wait for internet connecting.
Internet connected. Welcome to use cloud camera.
Okay, so click on beep or flashing lights when you hear the beeping sound. And now it says the device is under connecting and it can take up to 2 minutes. So we're just gonna wait for it to go through that whole process and connect successfully. Okay, I think we are good to go. I can actually see an image of my camera right now. So let me just click on that. And let's see if it's able to actually see my live view. Oh yeah, it looks like I can. So you guys can currently see on my phone screen, the camera doesn't look bad at all. I kind of like how it looks, you know. The quality isn't too bad. It is 1080p, so you're able to at least get enough detail to make out whatever's going on in your area, or you know, inside your house, or wherever you put the security camera. But let's actually take a look at the settings before we take a look at the different things you can do with this camera. So, you know, you got device details. You guys can look at all that information. We can go back. We got device settings. You can change the time zone. You can switch the device on and off. We got image rollover, which is 180 degrees. We got night vision, which you can turn on and off depending on whenever you want it. We got device microphone, and we even have an alarm tone. I don't know what this is. Wow. Okay, so there's actually a security alarm with this. Oh, well. Let me turn that off. But yeah, there is an alarm with this security camera, so that's kind of nice that they included that. We have a notice here. It looks like you can change the notification frequency, which is good. So if you're, got cameras that, send you notifications every 2 seconds because of a little movement, with this you can actually change that, even the frequency, the amount of time, how many notifications you want per, 10 minutes and stuff. You can do that with this security camera. We also have cloud storage management. So if you have cloud storage, you can do all that manipulation. Memory card management. So if you wanted to, you can format the memory card with your phone. We also have play videos from the cloud, sharing equipment, so you can actually go in and add family members into this security camera and have, just all your family members onto the security cameras to have a live view at all times, which is nice. And that's basically it for the settings. So let's actually go back to the main camera's view. So you guys can see the camera doesn't look too bad. I'm looking at it right now, and the quality doesn't look too bad. So you guys can see we got cloud events. So if you have the cloud subscription, you can actually see all your past events saved up in a little menu on the side of the security camera, which is nice. We're gonna go back though. We have quality, which you guys can change from SD, which is standard definition, and you can go all the way up to HD, which is high definition. We also have a microphone. So I think this button's gonna make us talk to the camera, but let's see. Well, it looks like we have to actually hold it down. Hello? Hello? Oh, it's asking me to allow to record audio. Yes. Okay. Hello?
Hello?
What do you do in my house?
What do you do in my house?
You're not welcome here?
You're not welcome here.
You're trespassing?
Trespassing?
You should not be here right now?
You should not be here right now.
So the microphone is pretty effective with the security camera. I'm pretty sure you could probably increase the audio if you needed to. You can also listen to the audio that's being captured from the security camera because it does have two-way audio. So right now if I click on this sound button, oh, it looks like the sound was actually on this whole time. Let me increase my phone's audio. So you guys can see? It's capturing the audio from the security camera. But yeah, there's gonna be a little bit of like, what is it called? Echoing effect because of, it being in close proximity to the phone and the security camera. So let me click on more. Let's see what else we got. So you can actually start recording whatever you want to capture on the security camera. So if I click on record, start capturing whatever the camera's capturing, which is really nice. End the recording by clicking the record button again, and it saves to my album. And then we also have cloud album. I'm not exactly sure what this is. Oh, so if you have the cloud subscription, you can actually save everything onto like a cloud database so that you can access at any time and have it in a more secure location. That's really nice. And if you wanted to take pictures, just click on the picture button right here. It's going to take a snapshot. You guys can see it's saved to my album successfully. But there is one last thing we need to check out, which is the night vision. So what I'll do is include a clip right here. But you guys can see the night vision of the security camera is not bad. I'm able to actually see a lot of detail of my face, which is really nice. So like if you're using this in the dark, you can capture a lot of good detail that you may need, if something were to happen inside your house or your place of residence, So that is nice to see that the night vision is really effective with the security camera. I can actually see there's actually 10 infrared lights, and I'll show you guys on this secondary camera angle if you guys can see that. But there is 10 infrared lights that are able to capture whatever the night vision is capturing. So the night vision isn't bad, and it is really effective. So, one of my final opinions and remarks about the security camera from the company HeimVision. Well, let me just say that this security camera has a lot of good features that I think a lot of people can make use of, You have motion detection, you have sound detection, you have smart night vision, you got two-way audio with this security camera, you also got 1080p resolution, which you can change to standard definition or a high definition depending on your situation. You also got an SD card storage slot, and you also have cloud service if you wanted to get a subscription with this security camera. And overall, it's honestly a decent security camera. So if you're looking in the market for some, some cheap budget-friendly security cameras just to use indoor, check this out, as this may be a perfect fit for your needs. But right now, what we're gonna do is actually kind of wrap up this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about the security camera, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and re-answer a comment I do receive. So if you have any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me. If you guys did enjoy this video after watching it, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys went down below and left a like, as that just keeps me informed and keeps me updated if you guys are enjoying this tech series. Follow us on our various social media platforms to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. And if you guys need to contact me or you're a company owner wanting to work with me, our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you guys need any further assistance with the security camera, that is the place to email me at. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out the security camera or get more information about the security camera, product information and also the link to purchase the security camera will be down below in the description for you guys to check out to get more information about this product and also get the product link if you're wanting to make a purchase. But like I was saying, this is going to conclude our video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you guys all for watching and have a good rest of your day.